What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. How you all doing? My name is Ryan. So in today's video I'm going to talk about exercises that are going to help you improve your functional strength. And by functional strength I'm talking about the exercises that are geared to help your body to be much more functional on daily use. So these are going to be hit on the back, all the major muscles, the back, the thighs, the chest, the thighs, the lower back, everything, the major muscles, at least a bit. So today's video, no weights needed, no equipment needed. Let's get started. So the first exercise that you're going to do right now is the scapular pitches. So this exercise is for those who receive neck and upper back pain. This is the best workout for you. All you have to do is stand upright, squeeze your shoulder blades together and pull them down. You just imagine, like visualize that, putting your left shoulder blade down to your right pocket, right shoulder blade down to your left back pocket. It's as that. You can do this for 3 sets, 10 reps. Now if you find that it's much more easy for you, you can progress by going to the floor, face down, everything up here, face down flat. Then what you have to do is lift your chest up, lift your elbows and push the elbows back. Hold for 2 seconds, release. Back, 2 seconds, release. Just like that. You can do this for 3 sets, 10 reps. Now the next upper back workout is called the wall Engels. All you have to do is move back to a wall, make sure your back is flat on the wall, elevate your elbows, then retract your elbows like this, push them back, make sure your knuckles are touching the wall. From there you can just pull up and down, up and down. You can feel all those muscles in the upper back moving very perfectly. That's a really perfect exercise to do for your upper back muscles. Now next, this can't be a body weight exercise without adding push-ups to the mix. Push-up is a really easy workout. You can do it anywhere, you can do it at any time. Very versatile. And yeah, so everybody knows how to do a push-up. Just go to the floor. You can do them wide, you can do them close. Or if it's that very difficult to you, you can just put your knees down and push from your knees, not from a plank position. So very easy. Okay, so next we move to the core. But the core, everybody does not love doing ab workout. They call it like you don't need to do ab workouts or anything like that. But now we're training the core. The core is very important to any type of workout you do, even any type of movement that you do. Even when you walk in, you use your core to sit upright. You need your core when you're walking, when you're bending, when you're picking things up. You need this part. So if this part is very strong, it will be very, very useful on your functional daily routines. So on the core, all you have to do is a plank. A plank, very easy. Well, not easy per se, but very easy to see what someone is doing. Just go on a plank position. You can put your legs together, you can put your legs apart, then hold it for, you can start for 30 seconds or 20 seconds going up, and progressing to 30 seconds, 40 seconds, 50 seconds, 60 seconds. That's like the progressive overload of this plank right now. So yeah, make sure you're doing the plank, make sure your lower belly is tucked in, your glutes are not flared up or coming down. Just keep them straight, just like that, and it will improve your core workout. Lastly, now we go to the lower body section. The lower body section, there's only one workout that I love the most when it comes to lower body, which hits a lot of muscle down here, from your quads to your hips, everything, and that is the squats. Now because there's no weights, you can just do your body weight. Air squats is enough for you. Make sure your feet are not far apart, or not close together so much. Then all you have to do is go down, make sure your butt is parallel to your elbows, not elbows to your knees. And also make sure when you do the squats, make sure your knees are not going past your toes. Keep them neutral, keep them at the same position, because when you go past your toes, now just increasing more injuries to come to your life. So yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, I thank you, I appreciate you. And you can comment down below to give me more advice on what to do on my workouts, or even give me more advice to video ideas to what I can do to help you improve my workouts. So thank you guys. Bye.